Hey little artist! Today, we are going to draw a toothpaste tube and a toothbrush. It's super easy and fun, so grab your markers and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, take a black marker and draw the bottom part of the toothpaste tube. Next, draw the top cap of the tube. Now, let's add a tooth symbol in the middle of the tube. This makes it look like a real toothpaste pack. Now, draw a long handle for the toothbrush. Then, draw the brush part with little bristles on top. Great job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's bring out our beautiful colors. Red color.
Wow!
Blue color.
La 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 la.
Pink color. Purple color. Yellow color. Silver color. Wow! Our toothpaste and toothbrush look amazing. Great job, little artists! If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more awesome drawing videos. See you next time!
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.